Understanding break off in English. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases and exploring the meaning and usage of the term break off. This term is common in everyday English, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. Let's get started. Break off can be understood by examining its two words, break and off. When something breaks, it separates or becomes damaged, and off signifies detachment. So, in its most literal sense, break off can mean to physically detach or snap a part of something away. Example, he had to break off a piece of chocolate from the bar. Beyond its literal meaning, break off has metaphorical or figurative interpretations in English, especially in conversations. 1. Ending a relationship or engagement. If someone says they broke off with their partner, it means they ended their romantic relationship. Example, she decided to break off her engagement with Mark. 2. Stopping a conversation. If someone breaks off in the middle of a sentence or conversation, it means they suddenly stop speaking. Example, he was about to reveal the secret when he broke off, realizing others were listening. Knowing synonyms can be useful for varying your vocabulary. Some synonyms for break off, depending on the context, include terminate, end, discontinue, sever, interrupt. There you have it. Break off is a versatile term in English that can be used in various contexts, from describing a physical action to discussing personal relationships or conversations. We hope you found this explainer insightful. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try using break off in your conversations and writings to master its usage. Until next time, happy learning!